On this culvert, this one gets clogged all the time. It's right by a house, but I don't think they're going to mind if I get up and clean that. So let's get started on it. There we go. You see that going through now? Whoa. Whoa, it's deep here. Come on, get all of it. Oh, look on my potato rake. Yeah, that's flowing good now. Look at that. Can you hear that? Yeah, this is all gonna drain now. See that baby lizard? Come on out of there. There he goes. He's like, I'm out of here. All right. That is flowing really good now. Okay, we're moving on.
Got a culvert here, guys. It's blocked up. Got a big stick in front of it. It's the biggest thing. Okay. Okay. Oops. Okay, Mama, we're good. Got that going. Wasn't much, but what was there was causing problems. So I can come down the ditch now.
All right, we've got a culvert here. You can almost see it right here. It's completely blocked up. Okay, got that flowing now. See if we can see through this culvert. Oh yeah, you can see all the way through that one. All right, Jen, let's move on.
Okay, Mom's gonna get that one's plugged. Coming out quicker.
See that, Jen?
Yeah. Yeah, I got the exit. It is flowing faster. It's all this little pasture, bottom of that pasture. Yep, it was plugged up a little.
Yeah, that's doing good.
Yep, nice job.
We've got all this water here, backed up. Here's a culvert, so let me get my potato rake real quick. Let's see if I can get down here without falling. Yeah, they're not horrible, but we're going to do them anyway. Okay. Yeah, it wasn't bad at all. I say that, and it looks like there's another blockage already. Oh, yeah, there's a sticker thing grabbing everything. Okay, now we're good. It's pretty full upstream. I'm surprised that there wasn't more of a blockage there. Yeah. All right, we're going to move on.
Okay, guys, you'll see. You're not going to record the exit? You can see by the entrance here, there's a clog up there. I'm going to do the exit first, though, clear it out a little bit because it's got a bunch of gunk in front of it. Stuck in this fence row. Come on now. Okay. All right, that'll be good on this end. Let's go do the entrance, or I'm gonna go do the entrance. Okay, Mom. We're good. Oops. Well, she's gonna go. Oh, sorry. Well, I didn't turn it off. I'm just gonna... You go do what you gotta do. Wait. Never mind. I thought I saw a blockage there, but I guess I didn't. There's a blockage here coming out of the pasture there. We're still catty corner. Ugh. Okay. There, that's flowing out of that pasture a little bit faster now. Maybe that'll drain that a little bit better. All right. Goes down here to this culvert. Alrighty. Clear there. And the exit is clear. Mom's gonna walk across this low water bridge real quick and see if the 2 culverts we normally do, if they're clogged up. This road's real bad about getting washed out, like you can tell right there and stuff, but I'm gonna go across it anyway. It's not very high. It's only up to her ankles. I would assume there's got to be something in the culvert. I don't know why she's doing it right now, though, instead of waiting. Pull it over right here and get out real quick. Is it good? Yep. Oh, wow. And there's nothing on this end? Yeah. Okay. They're both running as fast as they can run, it looks like, so. Alright, guys.
Goodness. Let's see. That one's clear. Getting a whirlpool. I'm surprised. Yeah, that one's clear too. You see the line on that one. Did we spray paint it, Gene?
Yeah, let's spray paint. I'm not doing much good right now.
No, but look at there. This one's getting one too. Oh, I do see this. Yeah, there's nothing blocking any of them.
Okay, go for it. She's just gonna get this one. It's got some stuff in front of it. That's it. Honestly, this doesn't work, but oh, good Lord. I more than I thought.
That one's clear. Check this one.
Okay, just watch the exit. There's not much in it. Okay. They're good to go.
All right, we've got this. Oh, it stinks here because there's
I'll
fish.
get you a.
Oh, yeah, that stinks. So this culvert is looking pretty good.
Oh my gosh, that stinks like a high heaven.
Yeah.
I'm putting it down there.
Okay.
Ugh. God, it's nasty.
I'll let you adjust the camera if you need to.
Why can't they just put it in the creek?
I don't know.
Dingbats.
I wonder how fast this is flowing.
I don't want you to get. You might just have to stand on top of this
Maybe.
sucker, or over to the side at least.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let me get over here so they can actually see. Okay, go for it.
Come on.
Here, you have it.
Got it?
I got it.
Hold on, it's behind me.
Ooh. Hello. Broke on me.
Come on, get in there. There it goes. There it goes. It's opening up now.
Oh yeah. A lot of stuff coming out of that middle one.
Oh, come on. Oh, this one's hung up pretty good.
Oh, of course.
Whoa. Come on. Got it.
Do you want me to get that?
All right, that's it on that one. Wow, these are raging. I really don't think there's anything blocking these are flowing so good.
I don't think so. They're flowing so well. Okay. Looking good. It's been a while since we've had this kind of rain. Mama's playing.
Okay. You ready?
Oh, you're okay. I thought you were gonna do the rest.
Nah.
Okay.
Look at that stick coming down. Bam, went right up in there. Here comes another one. Let's see if it makes it through. Which one are you going to pick? The middle one.
Yep. You did it.
Look, this little whirlpool's coming down.
Yep. It's cool. Okay. You get the exit camera? All right, guys. Got one little stick across that is it. Blocking that. Didn't even really speed it up much.